hear the music coming through loud and clear without any sort of distortion or static, even though we're going through rush hour traffic with lots of cars and a lot of radio wave disturbance and everything. Music's coming through loud and clear. No static at all.
People like us, we don't need that much. Just someone that starts
You simply get my device. This device from iPhone-FM-transmitter.com. iPhone-FM-transmitter.com. This device will allow you to bring your modern day technology from your iPhone right through your older car radio without aux input or Bluetooth or any modification at all. You simply connect this device right to your phone and set your car radio to 87.9 and you're ready to go. And this will give you, this will allow you to stream music, talk hands-free, as well as integrate GPS function all right through your older car radio without any additional modification. You plug in this device just like this and set your radio. Let's go to iHeartRadio and play, and hit play and turn on the radio. Loud and clear, no distortion. Now let's go to GPS.
People like us, we don't need that much. Just someone that starts the spark in our bonfires. Days like these lead to nights like this, lead to love like ours. You like the spark in my bonfire. People like us.
With the GPS function, the music will fade out a little bit and you'll be able to hear the GPS instructions loud and clear. And once the GPS instructions is given, the music will resume.